New York. Go! From Shakespeare, Illinois.
Here we go, and there's no letting up in a middle four-way. The minute you let up is the minute you get blindsided and pinned. With these competitors, they're quickly going for the cover.
I don't get that. Why break it up this early? If I was in a match like this, I'd want my opponents to get as worn down as quickly as possible. Get him up! Oh, took that all in the spot. We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. I can't believe this is a no disqualification match. We can see anything in this one. Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. Oh, look out!
Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup.
He's still not through.
And he breaks the hold, keeping himself in the match. The excitement of the air is palpable for this no-hold-barred contest. Big move coming. Oh my, what thunderous impact. These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here in WWE. European uppercut. Shoulders down. Once again, this is a no disqualification match. Chairs, tables, the ropes, everything is legal in this contest.
He makes the early save. We talk about strategy. There was a strategy session between our cameramen earlier today to ensure that no matter where the action goes, we can cover it.
How sudden was that? Tremendous athletic ability. Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way.
Boy, he's really done his homework for this match.
The rip is down, and this one could break loose.
Yow! Sometimes the moves in no disqualification matches cause as much damage to you as they do your opponent. That's always something that you want to avoid, in my opinion. Then again, I don't really like to get hurt. Uh-oh, this is bad. Oh, no! Massive damage done there.
He's going to give up. He's got to give up. No one can get out of this.
He's in perfect position. Complete control. I got a feeling, Michael, that somebody's going to get hurt, and get hurt badly in this one.
in the corner here. Bad spot to be in. The tension, the drama. This is electric.
After all of these shots to the... What a move! What a smart move! What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification. Anything goes, man. Oh, this isn't good. And Hero gets all of it.
Look at the way he's holding his skull, King. His brains have been absolutely scrambled.
How much more extreme will this match become?
Warlock reverses it. Warlock.
Oh, big time move by Warlock. And there's the...
Uh-oh, trying to put him away. Warlock, great move. One, two, three. Oh, I thought that was it. Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one. Maverick scaling the ropes. He breaks up the pin and the match continues.
Watch it. What a slam. Oh, gosh. Hey, what do you want for your last meal? Oh. Nice reversal by the champ. Ooh, you see that hip snap back?
One, two. Oh, this one should have been over, but he breaks the hold. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. One near fall after near fall in this matchup here. These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook.
Uh-oh, there's more.
Hooks the way. And he breaks up the count. My God, there's so much on the line here. Maverick counters it. Warlock with the arm.
Uh-oh.
What a wicked neck breaker. He breaks up the pin and the match continues. Moving on pure instinct now. What will it take to finish this superstar? Submission locked in tight.
There's the save. How close was that? Neckbreaker. That was vicious. We got a cover.
One. Maverick.
And there's a great move by Maverick. We know what this is.
What a move that he capitalized. Hooking away. Two.
And there's the breakup, just in the nick of time. Whoa!
He's measuring.
What a move by the champ!
His shoulders are down.
And there's the breakup. That could have been it right there.
The intensity.
Yeah, what a move!
He thinks he has it. One.
He got in there. I thought it was it. I thought it was going to be over.
We saw it all in this match, King, and those repeated blows to the skull have definitely taken their toll.
Well, I don't know if the head was intensely focused on, but it definitely took a lot of damage. Not this.
He's looking at it again.
Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike. Warlock's enjoying this.
Into the cover, hooks the leg. 1, 2, 3. The champ wins.
Here's your winner, Your Champ.
Absolutely amazing. We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight. I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.